Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best folding picnic tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Office Star Resin Rectangle Folding Picnic Table 6 feet. The center folding rectangle table from Office Star is capable to hold 300 pounds of weight. It conveys lightweight yet durable solutions to cater to dining, seating and workspace needs. The structure of this 6 feet rectangle table boasts a heavy-duty white top which is made up of blow-mold resin. Exceptional stability is conveyed by its dark gray powder-coated steel frame. This 6 feet foldable picnic table serves an economical, user-friendly choice for use in a picnic, events, classrooms, offices, etc. The included legs neatly tuck into the folded top to facilitate stackable, space-saving storage. At number 4. REDCAMP Folding Camping Table. Being multipurpose, this folding camping table can be used in the form of a picnic table, game table, serving table, outdoor dining table, etc. Basically, it comes with 2 height options, i.e. high height and low height. Manufacturing is done using medium-density fiberboard and premium-quality aluminum alloy. In this REDCAMP camping table, the sturdy handle is specially designed to let you feel comfortable in hands. It proves to be a perfect choice for any outdoor events because it conveys supreme comfort. At number 3. StandSport Folding Picnic Table and Umbrella Comb. Approximately 4 adults can sit around this StandSport picnic table. It comes with a 56-inch diameter umbrella. The table boasts anodized, locking, aluminum frame construction. The included high-impact, heavy-duty plastic umbrella's height can be adjusted up to 75 inches. With this umbrella, there will be excellent blocking of UV rays. For camping, tailgate party, backyard party or picnic, the StandSport folding table boosts the fun with its tons of features. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. At number 2. 2x4 Basics Folding Picnic Table Kit. With the Hopkins 2x4 Basics Table Kit there is no need to be an expert carpenter to assemble the accessories. The kit merely needs straight 90-degree cuts. In order to build your own creations, there is no need for miters or complex measurements. With the 2x4 Basics brackets, the outdoor furniture projects and garage organization are quite easy. The best part is the projects can be built to any desired length up to 8 feet. The only tools required for assembly are a powered screwdriver, wrench and a saw. No miter or angle cuts necessary. This comes in a sand color. The versatile design makes the picnic table kit a good value for your outdoor furniture needs. And finally at number 1. Outsunny 4-person wooden picnic table set. Superb portable convenience is the prominent trait of this picnic table set. Basically, the set comprises of a lightweight table which can be folded down to the size of a suitcase. This facility allows the user to carry it anywhere. Approximately 4 adults can sit around to enjoy outdoor activities. The smart construction is made by the use of ultra-lightweight material facilitating excellent portability and versatility. The overall multipurpose design allows this wooden picnic table set to be used for serving food, enjoying the scenic beauty of nature, playing games, etc. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.